It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you got for me today. Frankie, I discovered struggle meals years ago when I'd never cooked What are you doing here?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
In like a while.
I know. Congratulations, 100 episodes. In honor of this accomplishment, I got something for you in that freezer right there.
Ooh.
Put together this video for you. You're really gonna like it. Let's check it out.
Happy 100th birthday. I am so happy for you. You look very young for your age.
Hey Frankie, congratulations. It's Andrew Zimmern. 100 episodes of Struggle Meals, that's monstrous. Congratulations to you, most importantly to all your fans and viewers. It's been a wild ride.
Heavens to Betsy, 100 episodes?
Today I'm celebrating with 24 carats.
Thank you for being you and for sharing your friggin' never-ending, forever zestful energy.
I can't think of a more deserving and kind person to achieve this amazing success.
Congratulations on your 100th episode of Struggle Meals.
I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Bravo, Bello, from your favorite Mex-Italian chef.
Congratulations, Frankie, on your 100th episode of Struggle Meals.
Volevo dire congratulazioni per 1000 episodi di Struggle Meals.
I can't wait to see what you do next and just wanted to say congratulations.
Proud of you, I'm happy for you, and I hope you have 100 more.
Congratulations on this huge achievement, and we're looking forward to the next 100 episodes.
Maybe even 1,000 more.
1,000 more. You are a joy to watch. Thank you for making food and cooking so fun.
When's the movie coming out? I need to see the Struggle Meals movie. I need to see you do your own action sequences. I need to see it all.
You are such a unique character. You bring so much to the table, and
I love you. Mwah.
Struggle Meals rocks, and so do you.
Woo!
I hope you celebrate with a giant bowl of pasta.
Here's a smooch.
cheering for you.
Keep shining and keep cooking.
That was really sweet.
You know, they couldn't be here in person, but they all wanted to congratulate you for this huge accomplishment.
Thank you, Katie. You're very sweet. Would you like some lasagna?
Yes.
Look at this. What do you think?
Look at those layers. That's delicious.
It's both savory and sweet.
You instantly get the hint of sweetness, and then you get the savory sausage. It's one of the best I've ever eaten. I'm not even saying that. It's really good. It's perfectly balanced.
This is only $2.54 a serving.
No way.
Yes.
I don't think I'll ever eat fast food again.
Yeah.
Wink. Wow, 100 episodes. That must be a lot of recipes and a lot of food that you've tasted.
It really is a lot of food, but you know what? I love cooking food. I love eating food. I love talking about food. I think we should take a look at some of my favorite bites over the years.
Oh, yeah.
This can go to table 47. They're perfect. Yes! Yes! That's a 10. That's a 10! This is a 10 across the board. So the first thing I can tell you when I bite it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Delicious. Ta-da! All right. Katie, thank you for being here. It's really special to share a 100 episode celebration with you.
Cheers.
Cheers. What a way to wrap up 100 episodes of Struggle Meals. Today was a real celebration. I just want to let you know that you're the best fans, and we wouldn't have made it to 100 without you. So thank you very much. This is because of you. And on behalf of everyone on the crew, we appreciate it very much. We like making this show. And here's to 100 more. Cheers. Don't struggle on. Just kick ass.
And camera demark.
Fresh fruit. Oh. You really want to get a big piece of eggplant with a lot of girth because you're gonna, nope, can't use that word. So the eggplant is the star of the dish. You definitely want to get a really, right through, 2 flat sides. In 50 years, when they find this show, they'll think it's from 2007 because of this iPhone. Acai bowls are all the rage. Acai bowls are really popular. Acai.